Okay, we're at part two. We had to make two pots because there's so much. And we've already started adding the food. I cut up the meat. It doesn't matter what size. It depends on what you just want to do. But I like them big sizes. So just put them in. You're going to cook it down until, as the box says, until the meat is fully cooked. So I would say, since there's shrimp in there, when the shrimp starts to somewhat float or turn pink, then you're done. Because everything else is basically done. The mushrooms will absorb some of the stock, just so you know. Some of the vegetables will too. But as long as everything is cooking up, after the meat is fully cooked, we're going to add the rest of the mixture. And if you want, that's an optional, the chili paste. I'm going to add the chili paste myself, because it's always a little bit of a kick anyway with any Thai food. So it's a sweet and a sour kind of thing. And so if you like Popeye's shrimp, then you'll like the chili, adding the chili. But if you don't have to add the chili paste at the end. And you could also add chili peppers or ground chili for extra spicing. Okay. All right. Gonna come back when we are ready for the other stuff.